All you need to know about cryptocurrency, a beginner's guide. In the past few years, cryptocurrency has gone from niche to mainstream interest as major retailers like Overstock, NewEgg, and even Subway have started accepting it. While many Americans have heard about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, there's still a lot of confusion about what these currencies are and why they're so valuable. The good news is that cryptocurrency isn't hard to understand once you know the basics. Here's everything you need to know about cryptocurrency before you get involved in the digital currency craze. What are cryptocurrencies? The first and most famous of all cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, a digital currency launched in 2009. Over 1,000 crypto coins exist today, with hundreds more appearing over time. A crypto coin must be traded on an online exchange that matches buyers and sellers to be valid and acceptable as payment for goods or services. Each crypto coin has a unique code called its address stored on its network ledger that allows buyers and sellers to make peer-to-peer transactions by matching their addresses, sort of like PayPal. The difference between currencies like Bitcoin and government-backed ones is that there are no set rules or limits on how many units of any particular coin can be produced. How do they work? Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Peercoin are based on blockchain technology. Blockchain is a decentralized system of recording information. It uses advanced cryptography, the art of writing or solving codes, and distributed networking, where data is stored on multiple computers instead of one centralized server. This makes it very difficult for anyone to alter any information once it's been recorded. It also creates an environment where users can take advantage of a distributed network to verify transactions without trusting any individual or organization. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a form of digital currency created and held electronically. No one controls it. Bitcoins aren't printed, like dollars or euros. They're produced by people and businesses running computers worldwide using software that solves mathematical problems. It can be traded for traditional currencies like US dollars or euros through online exchanges or used in brick-and-mortar businesses, like restaurants, that are beginning to accept Bitcoin as payment. You may also like News Today. All you need to know about cryptocurrency, a beginner's guide. With your Bitcoin wallet, you can buy goods and services online just as quickly as you can with a credit card or PayPal account. Still, unlike those systems, there are no intermediaries extracting fees when you make purchases via Bitcoin. Should I buy cryptocurrency? Whether or not you should invest in cryptocurrencies depends on your financial situation and goals, so consider your risk tolerance, time horizon, and investment experience before jumping into a space that's moving so fast. It's also important to take time researching different cryptocurrencies and learning how they work, for example, Bitcoin versus Ethereum, what wallets are suitable for you, and so on. There's tons of information out there, but remember that it's up to you to apply it, so don't be afraid of getting your hands dirty. Whether or not you should invest in cryptocurrencies depends on your financial situation and goals, so consider your risk tolerance, time horizon, and investment experience before jumping into a space that's moving so fast. How do I buy it? For now, it's best to avoid direct consumer-to-cryptocurrency purchases. There are several reasons for that, which we'll get into in a bit. As long as you're okay with buying and holding cryptocurrencies on an exchange or online wallet and paying fees, there are dozens of options at your disposal. The easiest way to get started is by using Coinbase. It supports debit and credit cards, though if you use a card, there's an additional 3.75% fee due to new regulations from Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Where can I spend it? You can spend your cryptocurrency on anything, but your options are limited if you're looking for places that accept it directly. Some startups and online services, like WordPress hosting and Reddit Gold, will accept payment in Bitcoin. But if a store doesn't immediately support Bitcoin or another crypto, don't panic. There's an easy fix. Bitcoin debit cards let you use your digital currency at any business that promotes Visa payments, like these prepaid Visa debit cards. What are the risks of cryptocurrency? There are a few risks involved in using cryptocurrencies, but most can be avoided by being smart. First, as with any investment, there's a chance that you could lose all or part of your investment. That said, cryptocurrencies aren't for everyone, certainly not for those who aren't willing to take on some risk or don't understand it, and these investments have more potential to fail than your average stock. If one forgot to, though, it wouldn't necessarily send ripples through the rest of your portfolio. Should you invest in cryptocurrency? The experts, divided on whether cryptocurrencies are a good investment, all agree that cryptocurrencies should only be bought by investors who have done their research. The crypto space is like the Wild West. Garrick Heilman of the University of Cambridge says, "There is a lot of uncertainty around it, and people make investments hoping they will get rich quickly without having any factual information to back up their decisions." Heilman suggests you read up on different cryptocurrencies before choosing one or two to invest in, and never invest more than 5% of your savings in any one currency. Still don't have cryptocurrencies? Get results today. Yes, literally everything. The new Coin 2.0 app for 2022. The new Set and Forget It app for beginners lets you take advantage of the same system we use to get $39 in free Bitcoin every 12 hours on full autopilot. Go to the link in the description for more info.